Today, I'm going to show you how I have my Valentine One mounted onto my Tesla screen without actually hardwiring it. I didn't want to hardwire or mirror tap it since I found that this was easier by buying a few things on Amazon. As you can see, it has a little magnetic plate attached to the bottom of the Valentine One, making it easily removable if needed and reattachable across multiple cars. Let me show you how I have it attached. The Valentine One is mounted on top of a magnetic foam mount, which is attached to the back of the screen of my Tesla. The power cable runs down the right-hand side of my screen where I have it neatly tucked into the center console trim area. It does not require any pry tools or anything. You just simply and gently lift up the trim area and the cable can be easily tucked in. I have the cable running down the entire right center console trim and looped it forward into the center console where I have it plugged in. It works just like any other car. When the Tesla goes into deep sleep, it will turn off, and when I unlock it, it will wake up again. I do have the Valentine One paired with an Android exclusive application, JBV1, which helps me give the Valentine One GPS functions, GPS lockouts, and etc. Aside from this, it opens up a lot of different customization abilities and crowdsourced information. It also lets me know if there are any suspicious airplane, helicopters in my area. JBV1 is a feature-packed application, and I highly recommend it to anyone with a Valentine One. This is my setup of my Valentine One with my Tesla. Let me know if you have any other questions or comments. I'll be sure to release more Tesla-related videos in the near future. Thank you.